is defined as a process that results in growth, progress, positive change, or addition in physical, economic, environmental, social, and demographic components to an existing system or environment.
Previously, you saw a girl throwing garbage everywhere. With a behavior like that, our society will not be developed. For the heart of community, we will slowly develop our community by caring our environment.
Remember, every little things matter.
A small action can be a big impact.